You should have better known better than to come around here.
Get through the trap. See it? And then I'll
But
trap
from
the
the
other
right-
stairs.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna click blood.
Yeah, perfect. Because if we could get that level 2 perk that I have on, oh my god, there's no way they're getting out.
No one locked that door?
Yeah, Eric did the one to Grandpa.
That one, yeah. So you gotta make a left and.
I can go to the traps, right?
Yeah,
There's traps. Okay.
yeah. Only
Like
Nancy's
blood,
is...
get fucking blood.
Alright, Fuse is in the good spot. Fuse is right here by fucking... Right up the stairs right here by the living room. By the side garden.
Side garden.
Yeah, you know the stairs up here?
Right,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, that's a good spot right there. It's right there.
I wonder what door they open. Oh, right here.
Oh, right here. The fucking patio.
It's the Connie.
Chase it back down.
You think just that one?
I'm gonna close it. You're gonna chase after her.
I'm chasing... I'm on her ass.
I'm gonna keep doing my rounds.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa.
I'm just keeping the pressure on her. That way she doesn't go up. Oh, they're all right here. They're all ladder kitchen. Ladder kitchen. Smack her down. Julie's going in there too, and Leland.
She dropped.
All right, perfect. I'm right here.
You still over there?
Dude, I'm fucking them all up. They're... Oh, he's trying to door slam. He barged me.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
He wasted a barge and his fucking bone scrap already.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
I'm stalling them down here.
Or was that you?
Yeah, it's me.
I'm checking all around.
Hey, lock this door. No, we'll wait for this. I like her strat when you lock the door.
I killed Julie.
Oh yeah.
Trying to keep him down here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Leland has choose fight though. When he stuns you, you get fucking stunned forever.
Where are you at?
I'm gonna go feed Grandpa. That way we can get level 2.
Right. I was gonna mark him. I was like, I was gonna tell the monkey keep doing the rounds.
Yeah,
Keep going to the door,
right now.
and I'll mark him.
I'm circling around.
Hey, what you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun is still out.
Get this shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get fucking. Oh yeah, I can't wait for Friday, dude. Send me.
I hope they add more stuff though. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
for the anniversary, like I don't know.
They should go big.
I was expecting more.
Another map. Imagine another map. Fuck.
Yeah, that'd be perfect time to do it.
Big old fucking Tuesday shit.
Someone's right here.
Right here, going through the crack.
Where at?
Sonny! I tried to door slam him. Where'd he go, upstairs? I think he's upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up
The
here.
blood, the blood.
Oh, you're on him.
I'm gonna stay down here,
Get his ass.
Brandon Stam, get his bitch ass.
Hell yeah. He's dead.
Fuck yeah. Do we have a fucking Connie?
Yeah, and Connie and Leland.
Oh my god.
Basement, no!
When they do basement. Oh fuck.
She's right here.
You weren't paying attention.
I'm chasing her down.
I'm gonna go turn it off.
Oh, she's gonna make it. She's gonna make it.
I'm blocking it. She's going back up. Going back up. Side garden.
Turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm at it right now.
She's gonna go well.
Do the-
Turn that shit off.
Just waiting.
Right there.
I got her.
Fuck, I'm a
Damn,
captain.
a second too late. He got it. Leland got out.
Yeah, it's still, it said waiting. I'm gonna sit right here.
No, that's it.
Oh, you killed the bitch?
Get this shit.
Generators in front.
Fuck.
Damn. Yeah, sometimes the stairs is dark right here and I can't even see. Fucking sissy, dude. Told you to stay out of my damn flowers.
What the fuck?
Happened?
The dark.
Yeah, only some matches. Some matches, it's lit up right there.
It's bright as hell. The whole house.
It's weird.
Motherfucker is locked.
This motherfucker is locked.
This motherfucker is locked. Alright, I'm gonna go down there, or wait for them to wake up
Basement
Grandpa.
Hitchhiker. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna break these doors. I'm gonna fucking break them. That we don't. Doors. Oh, they're. Oh, fuck it. They're. We'll get it.
They went up Leatherface's
Oh,
lair.
hello
Oh, they both
there.
are crouching. Chasing them both back down. I think the Sunny is still up there. Chasing Julie. I see you, Julie.
Oh, Connie right here. I chased her back down.
Oh, I hit her again. I might kill
Oh,
this
Sunny,
Julie.
I see you.
She's going up. She closed the door on me.
Hold on, I'm on Sunny's. He grabbed fuse.
Back door.
I don't know where Sunny is.
Dead. Check my traps, Eric, if on both stairs.
I'm gonna check them.
Kenny, you haven't fed Grandpa.
Still good, still good. Front stairs,
I
main
can feed
stairs
him
is
right
good.
now.
Feed his ass, feed his ass. Oh yeah, both my traps are good. Hell yeah, good shit, good shit. We got this
I
shit
don't know
then.
where Sunny went, but he grabbed the fuse.
Alright.
Be careful.
Fucking stuff.
Damn, it's covered in blood.
I know.
In the middle.
Middle?
Yeah, in the middle.
It's Sunny.
Oh shoot.
He's going back down.
Alright.
Chasing his ass.
He went back down?
Yeah, chasing his ass.
Hey, Smokey back here taking a shit.
Killed him. God.
Who's that?
I didn't even see. These are the only two I've been seeing the whole fucking match.
I know. I seen Connie. I chased her back down. But from there, I don't know.
All my traps are good, so they're not upstairs. Someone's right here, right behind Grandpa. You know where that little crack's at in the living room, where the dark by the couch? Yeah, that way,
Yeah,
Eric.
I'm right here.
They were whispering right here. I used my sense. What the fuck?
Eric, stay right here. I'm gonna check around.
What
Maybe
the
they ran
fuck? Maybe they ran a side garden, but I feel like that was too quick. Traps are good. They're not upstairs. Yeah, I'm gonna check side garden. Yep, side garden.
Oh, really? Yeah. I'm
She's
checking
going
out
in.
the
She's
door.
going in to Grandpa.
I'm right here. She
Down
really
here.
tried? Oh, I got
Let's
her.
go.
I got her.
I can't believe she tried to
Dude.
do the lock right there.
I know. We're
I was like,
back.
she's
over
not
here.
Connie.
Connie! She's. The crack over here.
Upstairs?
No, over here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Fuck, she got her.
Going back to you.
Oh, I'm on her. Oh shit, she shut the door.
The fucking these doors are annoying.
She went down. She went down.
Fuck it, chase a bit.
She went down. I'm gonna feed Grandpa. I'm gonna feed him. Let's go, let's go.
Where's she going there?
Oh, so I think in the Leatherfaces.
How much blood do you have, Eric?
think 50 something.
Let's go, let's go. So do I. Let's get Grandpa to 5.
Go, 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 go.
I think so, but I'm not sure.
That's alright, I got 56, so we should be good.
$77 now.
Oh,
The bucket.
yeah, that'd be good. I gave him 56 right now.
Fucking good. We're Gucci.
All my traps are good, so she's not upstairs. I'm watching back door.
Let's go.
Look at her. She's fucking screwed, dude.
Shit.
In the basement. In the cold room.
Fuck the cold room, man.
She's dead.
Got her?
Yeah. Damn. Cooks chili.
Cooks chile.
Or Cooks chili.
Cooks chile.
Generators in shack.
Alright, perfect.
Cooks chili.
Damn, I see you
Oh,
standing
yeah.
doors
Big
down
chile.
there.
Cook's world famous chili on there. See, now it's bright right here. Now I can see. It's weird.
Random.
Right in the back thing, man.
Alright, fucking blood.
Alright. You need to get level 2
35?
online. Quick.
One bucket? Jesus.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
They out yet or no?
No, they didn't even wake his ass up yet.
Dude, 2 buckets at 71 already?
Hell yeah.
More buckets and more buckets.
You and me. We're his favorites. That's why Grandpa taught us.
Even this already.
Hello.
This blade cuts good.
Fuck, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Fuck yeah, Cook.
Get his ass. Oh my god,
I'm chasing him.
bro.
He's hurt. I'm
Chase
staying on
him.
him. He's
I'll
dead.
bring
He's
back
dead.
down,
You
bro.
got him. He bled up.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
He's dead. Connie's going back to you.
I ran a fucking stamina, bro. I'm going back up, I'm going back up. I can't.
Good shit though. That was all you, Fata.
Good shit, though. I fucked him up.
He bled out once he went through the fucking gap.
Christy Cook. That was fucking. The cook basement. Got cooked. Didn't have a fucking chance.
They're up. They're up.
Dang, get my ass back
They
up.
did my
Oh, she's
trap. They
fine,
fucking
bro.
went upstairs.
I'm going up.
Go upstairs, chase the bitch, cause you go through cross spaces. I'll go down here with the doors. Don't worry, don't worry.
I'm up here.
Watch the fuse, Kenny.
They're up here.
All
Alright.
of them are?
No, just Julie.
They need help. I would tell fast. Go upstairs.
I will. I will. I'm feeding Joe real quick to get level 2.
I hit Julie. I hit her twice.
She's going over the crawl space to you, Kenny.
Alright.
She's healing right here.
Okay, open, open, open.
Hello,
Outside,
motherfucker.
outside.
Fuck her up, Kenny.
Got her.
Yeah, dude. Good shit. Damn, stunned forever. My God.
Alright, I'm gonna go feed Grandpa.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna lock this door.
Winder.
Oh, shit.
She's down right there, the winder.
How? Yeah,
You got her.
fix it.
Oh,
Lena's
yeah.
out here. No, that's you.
Oh.
How are you?
Yeah, that was me out there. I was ready
Got
for
it,
it.
got it?
Yeah, he does choke her. That's gross.
Oh, you did the new shit?
Ah,
Yeah.
Beat his ass right now. Oh, after you, oh, we gotta get his ass to level 4. Oh, fuck yeah. I'll stay here. Do the
Watch-
round, do the round.
Oh, I am.
Back door. Connie, she's at back gate.
Do the round.
Everybody out here.
Everybody out there?
Yeah, Kenny, I need you because... Oh, she didn't get it. She didn't get it. She's welling. We're good. I made her well. Fuck. I'm gonna put my trap on the back door.
So don't go out there.
No, you're good. Yeah, she welled. Go ahead and feed whoever needs to feed.
Level 4, in case she stabs us, we're still at be at level.
I'm taking off the window because if Connie jumps out window, she's dead anyways. I'm gonna put that shit on back door. I was just getting one bucket to so I have more blood.
Ladder.
Hit her off! Hit her off!
I hit him down.
Feed Joe.
I'm going right now. Well, watch that ladder.
You just need one bucket.
I'm going right now.
Oh, he's fighting her down. Oh, he got punched in the dick down there.
I think she's in cap.
Eric, how much do you have?
She's in cap, got the bitch.
Hell yeah.
She bled out. She was in cap after I got her. She's fighting me in now.
Hello.
Dude, yeah,
Hello.
you down here. You missed it. I got the
Hey,
new
I'm
move
never
right
too late
now.
for the teabag.
I never
too
too. Yeah, you fucking did that.
Hey, I had to get 1 or 2 teabags in real quick.
Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.